Hi, I'm Manny from secondopinion.ph and I'm here with Chery's new Tiggo Cross HEV. That's hybrid electric vehicle, and it uses the brand's Chery Super Hybrid technology, a self-charging technology, no plug-ins, just gas and go with this hybrid. Up front, we have what Chery calls its Tiger-inspired design, which starts with a huge grille up here that takes up more than half the space of the whole front end. You have slim but angry-looking headlamps, which again adds to the assertiveness and aggressiveness of the car. And we have these very distinctive vertical daytime running lights. All the lights are LEDs, which give the Tiggo Cross Hybrid excellent illumination at night. Moving down here, the new Tiggo Cross Hybrid has these aerodynamic flat design alloy wheels in 17 inches. It looks very cool, very European, very upscale, and it's also very effective in cutting wind drag. Moving back, it looks sporty and chunky in a Mini Cooper way, and it's very youthful in design, very energetic and dynamic as well. I like the black trim, gives it a strong SUV feel, and particularly the upswing here of the belt line and this black part here, the D pillar, it looks like glass. It continues the design of the windows, but it's actually metal and part of the body of the car. It's a nice visual touch. Here at the back, the Chery Tiggo Cross Hybrid looks very European with a straight-through taillight design with a rear center garnish connecting the two taillights. Also reflecting the vertical daytime running lights up front are the vertical rear reflectors here. We have a nice roof-mounted spoiler here. Then here we have, which is very common in European cars also, a rear fog light mounted here below the bumper. Now let's take a look at what's under the hood. Okay, this is a nice touch. I like the dual hydraulic lifts that help prop up the hood of the Tiggo Cross Hybrid instead of the usual prop rod that you have to yank and then insert in a hole, which gets your hands dirty. Here it's all hands-free. Down here we have the 1.5-liter gasoline engine, and beside it is the hybrid system. I see a Bosch component here which underscores the world-class technology of the Chery Tiggo Cross. So you see a lot of components here that you see in a lot of other European cars. This is not a luxury car. It's a subcompact crossover, but all the features you'd expect to find in a luxury car, this car pretty much has. The Tiggo Cross Hybrid has a power glass sunroof. You have a nice to grip leather steering wheel here with the flat bottom to give you more leg room. It has a lot of buttons on the steering wheel, which is very convenient. The Chery Tiggo Cross Hybrid has twin 10.25-inch displays. This part is for the instrument panel. Of course, this part is for the infotainment system. You have the usual speedometer and the rev counter here on the right side. The hybrid energy transfer system. It's not the biggest screen, but it's so easy to use. It's not confusing. This is something you can jump in the car for the first time and use it intuitively. It has wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, and I particularly like the voice control. So watch this.
I am listening.
Open driver's window.
Okay.
Okay, cool. You have nice stitching here on the dashboard also that runs the whole width of the dashboard, and there's a lot of silver trim also inside the interior. Engine start button here and a very upscale looking gear shift lever. It has dual zone aircon controls. There's a nice touch panel for the aircon controls, very easy to understand, very intuitive, and there are rear aircon vents also for the backseat passengers. Overall, it's a very upscale and upmarket vibe that you feel inside the Tiggo Cross Hybrid. The Chery Tiggo Cross HEV along this bumpy road, and the ride is neither too hard nor too soft. I think Chery got it just right. in terms of the suspension damping. It's very smooth. It has a high rigidity body which keeps noise levels down and comfort up. It's very good for handling. The Chery Super Hybrid or CSH system develops 204 PS and 310 Newton meters of torque. I drove this car along the highway and response is instantaneous. The hybrid transmission is so smooth, you hardly feel it shifting at all. CSH also uses regenerative braking, which recaptures energy whenever you brake, storing it in the battery and further extending the driving range of this Tiggo Cross Hybrid. Of course, one of the strongest points of this car is it's a self-charging hybrid, so as long as you keep putting gas, you're good to go. Okay, right now we have half a tank of fuel, but as you can see, we still have 775 kilometers of driving range. Because of sheer fuel efficiency of this car, it is claimed to reach up to 1,200 kilometers per tank full. Well, that concludes our quick look and quick drive of Chery's new Tiggo Cross HEV, the Chery Super Hybrid crossover subcompact hybrid, which impressed me a lot with its responsiveness and incredible fuel efficiency. Of course, I also love the wide range of features that it offers. It's fun to drive, spacious enough. The Chery Tiggo Cross Hybrid is now the most affordable subcompact crossover hybrid in the market today. So expect to see a lot of this car on the roads very soon. Thank you for watching. We hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe to our Second Opinion channel, and we hope to see you again soon.